going to have the solo from the Live at Pompeii version. Okay, so our first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a half step bend coming down on the 13th fret of the second string. So it sounds like 14 to 13, so it's like 13 on the G, and then on the D we have 13, 11, 10, and then 11 on the A. So we wait till the 1, and then we come in after that 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, one more time. 3 and 4 and 1. And then we're on a C sharp minor chord, 4 on the A string, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so strum 4 beats of that. Jang, 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 jigga, jang, jang. That's our basic kind of groove. And G sharp minor, 4, 6, 6, and the 4s. Same shape down to 2nd fret, F sharp minor. Now we're going to come back up to the G sharp 4th fret. We can either do a major, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4. Or we can pull the pinky out and get a dominant 7. G sharp 7, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4, 4. Okay, so we got 1. C sharp minor. G sharp minor. F sharp minor. G sharp 7. Starting again, C sharp minor. G sharp minor, F sharp minor, G sharp 7. And here's a suspended when you put the pinky in there on the 3rd string on the 6th fret. Pull it back to the 7 chord. Then we have C sharp major, 4 on the A, 6, 6, 6. G sharp major, which is a 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4. We'll stick with the F sharp minor over here. Back to the G sharp 7, 2 times to an A major. Of course, you could also do that here as well. 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. So we had G sharp 7 twice to A. Then we're going C sharp minor, down, up, down, up, down. So 3, 4. Okay, C sharp minor, down, up, down, up, down, and then the 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 3, 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1, open, and then big 4, back to open A. 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 7, 6. To the 4 on the A string, which gives us the C sharp minor chord. So it's hits. This time, 0, 4, 0, 2, 4. We're going to hold on that 4. 2, 4, 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 4, 6. Back to that 4, the C sharp minor. Now this time, we had the 0, 4, 0, 2, 4. 2, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2. And then 2 on the A, getting into an E major chord. Sometimes you can hit a little sus in there, hit the 2 on the G string, so it's like. Then we're going B major. So 2, 4, 4, 4, C, 3, 5, 5, 5. Back to a verse, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, get your F sharp minor, G sharp 7, same things. You have the sus, then you got C sharp major, G sharp major, F sharp minor, G sharp 7 to A. So we have the C sharp minor. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Same kind of hits on the A. So 3 and 4 and. Walk it up. I'll do the 1, 2, 3, and then bring my first finger to the 4. If you got a better way of doing it, please let us know. I have 0, 1, 2 on the A, but somebody might have a different version of that too as well. They always vary it, you know. To the E. Maybe a sus. B to C. Okay, now we have the solo. Okay, so let's look at that solo. We got 4 in the A string, C sharp, and then 2, big 4, and then 2, 4, 5 on the E, 2 to 4 to 3 on the A, 3, 4 to 6 to 7. So we had a slide into the 11 on the A string. We got 9, 11 on the D, 9, 11 on the G. We're going to bend that 11 on the G and then go. There's a huge bend on the 18th fret. You know how Gilmore does. So this is like a 2.5 step bend on the 18th fret. So back to the 9 on the G, 11 to 9 on the D. Little half step bend there on the 9 on the D. You got that 11 over here. So once again, we got. Okay, now for the major chord. Going into the 9 on the B string. Going to the 9 on the E string there. So we take that little 11 on the E string, up, down, hit it again, to that 9 on the second. We have 11 on the G, to 9 on the B, 10 on the B. We're going to have 9, 10, 12, bend the 12. So we got. Okay, so bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Another huge 2.5 step bend on that 12. To the 10 over here, and then we got. So we're going to slide into the 11 on the D. And then G string, 9, 11. Bend that 11 up and down. A couple 12s on the B. Bend it, little 12 underneath it. We have a 12, 11, 12 on the E. Bend that 12. So we have 12, 11, 11 again, couple of 12s, bend up and down. Okay, so we have a 12, 11, 12, bend that one, pull off, 11 again, couple 12s, couple bends, big bend, and then a couple regular bends again. Then 14 on the B to 11 on the E, little pickup notes, because we have little triplets, 12, 11, 12, 14, 12, 14. Little bend on the 16, slide into the 19, slide into the 21. Bend that 21 up and down a little bit, and then get into a little major shape up here. We got the 17 a few times. Pull it off 16, 17 on the B, 16 over here. So bend on the 21, couple 21s, some 17s. Pull that off, 17, 16, 17 on the B, 16 over here. And then 16, 17, 16, going down the D shape again. So it's like. So we got 16, 16, and then 17, 17, and then G and B. So once again on the solo, we got. We have these chords. So we have these hits then. So down, up, down, up, down. Got that 4, 3, 2, 1 to the A and O, 1, 2, 3, back to the 4. And eventually. Of course, Echoes has many, many layers to unfold. Okay, hope you all dig that. Talk to y'all soon.